Live the life you dream, right here in Jamaica. By Jamaica Homes, published on October 4th, 2025. There comes a point in every person's life when you stop running and start looking around, really looking at what's in front of you. And if you're standing on this island, or even just dreaming about it from across the seas, you'll realize something simple and profound. Jamaica is not just a country. Jamaica is a way of life. It's a rhythm, a resilience, a spirit that refuses to bow. It's the sound of laughter in the face of hardship, the smell of rain on warm soil, the sight of a market woman balancing a basket and a smile at the same time. Jamaica lives, and to live here, truly live here, is to embrace the essence of being alive. Living in Jamaica is not about escaping reality. It's about embracing it. It's about choosing to build something beautiful, even when the world seems uncertain. People sometimes ask, what's so special about Jamaica? And I tell them this: Jamaica is real. It's not a fantasy. It's not a brochure. It's the heartbeat of a people who know struggle and still find joy. It's the land where you can see God in the sunrise and feel peace in the waves that kiss the shore. It's a place that challenges you to be better, but also reminds you to slow down, to breathe, and to be grateful. When you wake up in Jamaica, you don't need an alarm clock. The birds take care of that. The light spills through the window like a blessing. You hear the cocks crowing in the distance. A radio playing a tune that makes you nod your head before your eyes even open. Life here begins in color and sound, not monotony. There's something deeply spiritual about that. The land itself speaks. The hills of Manchester, the plains of Clarendon, the beaches of Portland, the cliffs of Negril, all of them whisper, you are home. But living in Jamaica takes heart. You have to love this island enough to see beyond the challenges. And yes, there are challenges. Let's not pretend otherwise. Life here can test your patience. Bureaucracy moves slowly. Traffic can test your nerves. And opportunities don't always arrive on schedule. But what Jamaica offers, if you are patient enough to receive it, is freedom. The kind of freedom that city living abroad often steals from you. The freedom to think, to create, to walk barefoot in your own yard, to breathe in air that carries the scent of earth and mango. For those returning home after years abroad, Jamaica might at first feel unfamiliar. The systems have changed. The pace might feel slower, and you may find yourself wondering if you've made the right decision. But stay a little while longer. Feel the soil between your fingers, the salt of the sea on your skin, and the warmth of people who will call you boss or sistren before they even know your name. Jamaica will reveal herself to you, not all at once, but piece by piece. And when she does, you'll remember. You'll remember what it means to truly belong. In a world chasing speed, Jamaica offers something revolutionary: time. Time to think, time to reconnect, time to live deliberately. When you're abroad, life often feels like a race to the next promotion, the next bill, the next train, the next payday. But in Jamaica, life invites you to find balance. Yes, we hustle. Nobody can out-hustle a Jamaican. But we also pause. We stop by the roadside for a roast yam and saltfish. We hail up the old friend we haven't seen in months, and we give thanks. That rhythm, that balance between work and rest, ambition and gratitude, is what makes Jamaica a place worth living in, not just visiting. If you've ever stood at Frenchman's Cove at sunrise or walked through Coronation Market at noon, you've seen both faces of this island, the serene and the chaotic. But both are beautiful. Jamaica is not polished perfection. It is raw authenticity, and that's what makes it powerful. You learn over time that peace doesn't mean the absence of noise. Peace in Jamaica is learning to hear the noise differently, to recognize the rhythm in it. The honking taxis, the laughter from the shopfront, the radio blasting dancehall, the children playing football on the street. It's life in motion. Living here means you have to build your own definition of success. Abroad, success is often measured in numbers: your salary, your postcode, your job title. In Jamaica, success is measured in living. Did you eat well today? Did you laugh? Did you take a moment to feel the sun? Did you help someone else? Did you move one step closer to your dream? If the answer is yes, then you're already wealthy beyond measure. There's something sacred about living on an island that has given so much to the world. Think about it. Jamaica is small in size, but enormous in spirit. Our athletes dominate global sports. Our musicians change the sound of the world. Our thinkers and artists leave footprints that stretch across continents. And yet, here we are, with so much still untapped. Living in Jamaica gives you the chance to contribute to that greatness, to be part of a legacy that continues to inspire. Whether you're a teacher, a farmer, an entrepreneur, or an artist, your work here matters. We have a tendency sometimes to underestimate our own magic. We look at other countries and imagine that life there must be easier, smoother, richer. But I can tell you this: wealth without joy is emptiness. Abroad, people live with comfort but crave connection. In Jamaica, even when times are hard, we have connection to our neighbors, our families, our faith, our roots. You can't put a price on that. Yes, the cost of living in Jamaica can feel high. Yes, security is something to take seriously. Yes, the systems can frustrate you, but every country has its own struggles. The difference is that in Jamaica, your struggles are met with community. Someone always has your back. There's always a "Ya man, we sort it out," waiting at the end of the day. And the beauty, my God, the beauty. Where else in the world can you finish a long week, drive 2 hours, and be in paradise? The blueness of the Caribbean Sea, the lushness of the hills, the scent of wet bamboo after rain. Jamaica nourishes you without you even realizing it. Even the food is alive, vibrant, bold, healing. Ackee and saltfish with roasted breadfruit, callaloo and plantain, fish fresh from the sea, mango sweet enough to make you close your eyes. Every meal is a reminder that you're living in abundance. For those in the diaspora, Jamaica calls to you differently. She calls not just with nostalgia, but with purpose. You left to seek opportunity, and that was necessary. But don't forget, you also carry Jamaica with you wherever you go. The accent, the spirit, the courage, it's all part of you. And when you return, whether to live or to invest, you bring back more than money. You bring back perspective. You bring back knowledge, systems, and vision that Jamaica needs. We are at our strongest when the diaspora and the island work together, hand in hand, heart to heart. Now, let's speak about mindset. Living in Jamaica requires a mindset of faith and flexibility. Things won't always happen on your timeline. The power might flicker, the rain might fall when you had plans, the traffic might surprise you. But that's life reminding you, slow down, flow with it. The same rain that interrupts your plans is the rain that feeds your crops. The same traffic that frustrates you might be the pause that lets you hear a song that lifts your spirit. Perspective is everything. We talk a lot about quality of life these days. But what is quality, really? Is it about having everything you want? Or is it about wanting what you have? Jamaica teaches you to live simply but meaningfully. It teaches gratitude. The people here, even with little, find ways to celebrate. A birthday isn't just cake, it's community. A Sunday dinner isn't just food, it's love. A trip to the beach isn't just relaxation, it's renewal. To live well in Jamaica, you must participate. Don't just exist in your house behind a gate. Get involved. Join your community association. Volunteer with a local youth group, support your church, attend town meetings. Jamaica's power is in its people, and when you engage, you feel it. You see how many good people are out there working quietly, tirelessly to make things better. Let's talk about opportunity. Jamaica is changing fast. the digital revolution has reached our shores, and more Jamaicans are working online, freelancing, building global careers from right here at home. Tourism is evolving beyond beaches. It's moving into culture, wellness, and sustainability. Agriculture is innovating with technology. Real estate is booming, especially in urban centers like Kingston, Montego Bay, and Ocho Rios. But the real opportunity isn't just in industries, it's in ideas. Jamaica rewards creativity. If you can solve a problem, you can build a life here. And when you live here, your work-life balance becomes different. Yes, you'll work hard, but when the day ends, you step into a world that heals you. You can drive up to the hills for cool air, walk on the beach under the stars, or sit on your veranda with a cup of Blue Mountain coffee and feel the peace of being where you're meant to be. Faith plays a role too. Jamaica's spirituality is woven into daily life. Whether you call it God, the universe, or simply good energy, you feel it here. It's in the music, the language, the way people bless each other in passing. That spiritual foundation is what sustains us. It's what turns hardship into hope, and hope into progress. Living in Jamaica also teaches resilience. Things might not always go as planned, but you learn to adapt, to innovate, to keep moving. Jamaicans are masters of turning nothing into something. That same creativity that gave birth to reggae and dancehall, that same defiance that produced heroes like Marcus Garvey and Nanny of the Maroons, it lives in every one of us. If you want to live in Jamaica, you must believe in possibility. Believe that you can build something worthwhile right here. Believe that your talents, your education, your skills can contribute to nation building. The Jamaica we dream of doesn't come from government alone. It comes from people. People like you and me deciding every day to do a little more, give a little more, and care a little more. And yes, Jamaica will test you. She will push your patience and your pride. But she will also reward you, not with material things, but with meaning. Living here gives your life depth. You start to understand that happiness isn't somewhere out there. It's right here, in the laughter of your neighbor's child, in the mango that falls perfectly ripe into your hand, in the cool breeze that comes through the window just when you needed it. To live in Jamaica is to live with intention. It's to wake up and decide that today you'll contribute to something bigger than yourself. It's to plant, to teach, to build, to love, to share. It's to understand that we are all part of the same story, a story of resilience, of faith, of transformation. And when you live that story consciously, something powerful happens. You stop seeing Jamaica's challenges as limitations and start seeing them as invitations. Invitations to innovate, to lead, to change. You realize that you don't need to run away to find your purpose. Sometimes your purpose is waiting for you right where you started. So here's my message to you. Whether you live in Kingston, Manchester, Montego Bay, or thousands of miles away in London or New York, Jamaica is not a place you escape from. It's a place you grow from. It's a place you can live, love, and lead from. Let us stop talking about leaving Jamaica and start talking about living Jamaica. Because to live Jamaica is to live courageously. It's to find joy in simplicity, strength in struggle, and purpose in community. It's to know that no matter what the world says about us, we are a nation of greatness. So live. Live boldly. Live gratefully. Live creatively. Live freely. Live the life you dream, right here in Jamaica.